Hi, I'm John from CDR Studio Architects in New York City.
And I'm Lee Manners of LMA Group. Welcome to my home in Gramercy Park. My wife and I selected Gramercy Park because of its central location. This building is pre-war constructed in the late 1920s. This apartment had previously been a doctor's office and was in terrible disrepair.
It has great bones, 24-foot high ceilings and stained glass, but most importantly it's elevated above Gramercy Park, so you really feel like the nature of the park is part of your living room. It's kind of a dream to work with a builder who's also a friend that could execute so well the kind of vision that we had. It was really a joy, which doesn't always happen. One of the hidden challenges in New York renovations is how to accommodate for a lot of storage without it becoming an overbearing feature in the apartment.
Near the apartment entry on the upper level is a very flexible space that's mostly used by my wife and I as an office, but it has a Murphy bed, so it doubles as a third bedroom when the need arises.
You're giving away all our surprises. The panelization of all the doors allows you to open and close the space, to leave it open the majority of the time unless someone's staying in the room, so all the spaces feel connected.
The living room is where we spend most of our time. The wood floor continues into the living room, but we decided to recess the carpet into the floor.
The inset rug creates a room within the room, and it brings a lot of warmth to a space that again connects to the park. It's kind of a nice nurturing area to relax.
Entertainment was certainly one of the objectives when this apartment was designed. So there are certain elements like the built-in bar that adds a bit of sparkle and reflectivity to the space.
He's even invited me over a few times.
Yeah.
The earthy warmth of the floors transitions to a more muted white along the window wall. And the built-ins include a window seat, which I was always wondering if it would be used, and indeed it is. That creates a kind of place of solitude looking out over the park. Lee is a person about symmetry, so when we were designing the millwork, he was all about the symmetry of things, and I found out that I'm into asymmetry, so his wife would weigh in to balance us out.
Right. In the principal bedroom, for example, the bed is a custom millwork piece that John and I worked on together. It has this beautiful combination of solid walnut and walnut veneer. It would have been my inclination to run all the grain in one direction, but John convinced me to turn the grain perpendicular in a couple of spots, and it really works so well. Part of the millwork in the bedroom incorporates what I like to call a shoe pantry. The entire cabinet slides out so that my wife Audrey's shoes can be accessed from both sides.
It's a shoe collector's dream.
The two-story space behind us is obviously one of the prominent features of the apartment, and we had this chandelier made by a glassblower. He selected the glass based on the colors in the existing stained glass window.
The stairs is the connector, both visually and in terms of circulation, but the stair also acts as a storage unit, essentially.
Some of them you touch on and doors open, others you touch and drawers pop out.
And the secret powder room. I love the look of people's eyes when they see the powder room tucked underneath the stair.
Right, yes. The dining room has, in terms of furniture, one large glass top table, and it's surrounded by simple leather chairs.
Underneath the stained glass window is a built-in bench, which doubles as a kind of larger gathering space for a larger dinner. It's all kind of built in and integrated and connects back to the stained glass window.
And then the dining room is connected in a very open way to the kitchen, which didn't exist in the doctor's office. So we were able to build a complete U-shaped kitchen with a combination of materials that are a little different than the rest of the apartment, from bead-blasted stainless steel countertops and cabinet faces to stone countertop at the Island Peninsula. My wife Audrey is a great cook. She loves cooking, so it is heavily used indeed. One of the things I always strive for when renovating an apartment is a close collaboration with the design team, and the collaborative effort here could not have been any better.
When I come to visit, it seems like I'm visiting two old friends, both Lee and the project itself.
Thank you for visiting my home.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.